Opening and showcasing 1/64 scale police minifigures and police truck. First, we will open the 1/64 police minifigures by American Diorama, Mijo exclusives. Let's open it. Please like, share, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. These figures are made from metal. It is a die-cast minifigures. The quality of the figures are excellent. These figures are a really cool addition to my town diorama. Next, to complete the set, we will open this gorgeous Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 1/64 police truck from Era Car Diecast. This is also a Mijo exclusives. Let's open it. It also comes with a box. Let's check the box art and details. The box art is pretty. Now, let's check the truck. I like the wheels. The tires are made from rubber. It has moving parts. The doors can be opened but not smooth. I use my tweezers to carefully open the doors to avoid paint chipping. The only issue for this truck is the door cannot be opened smoothly, but in overall, I like this truck and it is really gorgeous. The quality is impressive. Thumbs up for Era Cars for making awesome products. Additional, the wheels are rolling smoothly. Let's take a closer look for the truck details.